Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any Google Map location, if you are create, how to interact your customers, view as a customer. So they will be in compulsory, they will always we can give to the green tick mark for every Google Map location. How it is possible Google Map location to show your more interaction traffic. So that is a call compulsory. What are the regular updates we can follow here? See this. So that is called I'm go to services. What are the services we are providing here? Copy, select your Google Map location, take as a update. Update have the two option along with photo or without photo. Most of the things we can selecting will be photo is the better option to the customer viewer purpose. Copy the your related URL, paste it, image, auto crop when you click for the crop symbol and clicking for post. Post is done. The post will be scheduling on your particular Google Map, taking for less than minute. The pending will be finished. So once you can go to refresh after some seconds or minutes. So after that, go to here. The post will be successfully updated. So here what we can do this, copy the content, click for Facebook and Instagram, Twitter, anything will be, what are the options are social media, but they will support it will be only Facebook and Twitter. When click for Facebook, that's first of all feed and story, but we are into engage our page. So click for page and what are the check-ins you have? Check-in nothing about your particular location. Now click for post on Facebook page. So how it is the show your Facebook page? That also will be compulsory question mark. Click this. Scroll down. When click this option, they're reaching for your Google Map location. So automatically interaction will be increased from your Google Map location. So this is the method you have to follow it and share every link will be into the Facebook business page option, profile option. And one more important is called what are the content you will be sharing here? Copy link. Another option will be called you can update by the story also where on your Facebook page. Just I'm selecting for here, click story, add a related photo, add link, share on your post. So this is a method you can follow it. Here is the option. So what is the benefit? The people will click image, they come into your Google Map location. So that you will be affected by your particular things. So these all will be, we can do it to increase the traffic on Google Map location from Facebook option. One is the Facebook business page. Second will be Facebook business page story option. If any further question, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.